Hello, Furious Owl viewers. Thank you for tuning in. Recently, we had the chance of going to the beautiful city of San Antonio, Texas. The unique culture of the city, along with delicious food, made this trip both enjoyable and eye-opening. Of course, we cannot visit the city without going on the river cruise on the famous San Antonio River Walk. The cruise costs approximately $13 and lasts approximately 45 minutes. During the river tour, the river winds and loops under bridges and courses through major tourist attractions such as Marriage Island, Tower Life Building, the Pearl, and Spanish colonial missions. This is a unique cruise tour that exhibits the best of San Antonio. Come check it out and let me show you why it is worth your time.
Over on the right side of the boat, y'all, you're going to see that little stage. That is where they did the swimsuit portion of Miss Congeniality, right here. Folks, Onison River Theater was built in 1941. It is named after Edward Miss Congeniality. Over here on the left side of the boat, that is where people sat, and that is where they had the judge. Now, y'all, the bridge we're going underneath, this is one of 5 cast iron bridges along the river. Now, this bridge was put here in 1895, and it comes all the way from Berlin. That means Berlin, Connecticut, y'all. Now, coming up on the right side of the boat over here, you're going to see a little island and a cypress tree. This is where they have the cattle drives across the river. That's $3 million. At the very top, you see the flagpole and the flag. Y'all, the flagpole. Now, y'all, the Bear County Courthouse was built in 1897. Y'all, that is the 3rd oldest. I know it's not that loud of a horn, y'all, but hey, I got to honk it anyway. Out here, the main channel to the left, down about 200 yards, is our second marina. Now, y'all, the San Antonio River goes south about 200 miles. It'll wind up at the Gulf of Mexico. It'll go to San Antonio Bay, Corpus Christi, Texas. Look up to the left of the boat, y'all, you will see San Fernando up through the trees. Now, during the Battle of the Alamo, San Fernando is free to be closed. Side of the boat over here. Folks, this is our second ticket location. This is called the Aztec Theater. The Aztec Theater opened in 1926. Aztec Theater opened as a silent movie theater. Today, y'all, it is used as a concert venue. Such bands as ZZ Top, Marilyn Manson, George Thorogood have all played here over the years. Of Bear County Society members. Today, y'all, it is used as a steakhouse and apartment. You can live above San Antonio Riverwalk. We have Italian food, we have Mexican-American food, we have barbecue, we even got ice cream. Right up here, folks, is a place called Mr. Ice Cream. I had me a nice chocolate here on the Riverwalk. So y'all look over here to the left. You will see the biggest duck. His name, folks, is George. That duck right there, y'all, runs the entire Riverwalk. Door, observation deck, and a rotating restaurant. Now, folks, here in the mall, we have a IMAX movie that are, I hope they're okay. after we had that freeze, folks, the first tree right here is an orange tree. Before that freeze, all that tree. Now y'all coming up on the right side of the boat up here, you're going to see that church duplex. St. Joseph's was built by German immigrants back in 1868. Every third Sunday.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to be notified for future videos, please subscribe to Furious Owl Studio.